This meditation is called the Caliber for Constant Self-Authority. And what this does is it helps you, it gives you the ability to maintain your own commitments without getting sidetracked and distracted by other things that could be pulling at you. It's your ability to, in a way, in effect, say no, so that you can create that space for your own yes. And the other thing that happens is, I've talked to a lot of adults over the years, and I hear people saying, I hate when people tell me what to do. And none of us really like that. I mean, sometimes we like it because it means we don't have to think, and all we have to do is just follow direction. And sometimes that could be nice. But overall, in general, we don't like to be told what to do. And in response to that, or actually in reaction to that, what many of us do is do the opposite, or not do that just because someone told us what to do that. And that doesn't necessarily mean it's a good thing. It's the same limitation that we're putting on us, that we think that is being imposed on us by being reactive or rebellious in that way. And that may be the truth for us not to do those things, but it also may be the truth that those would be good things for us to do. So how do we know? And that's what Caliber for Constant Self-Authority does. It helps us to recognize, despite what we might hear from the outside, whether we should do something or not, that we can recognize ourselves that is something that is definitely aligned with us, or that it is not, and we can then say no. So Caliber for Constant Self-Authority, it brings us to ourselves to help us to listen to our inner voice, and also pay attention to the messages that come from the outside, and to be able to discern whether those messages are right for us. Okay, so it's a pranayama, and let me just start with the drishti, the eye focus. Your eyes will be focused at the tip of the nose. I'm sitting in a chair right now. You can sit in the chair or on the floor in an easy pose. The mudra is to bring the mudra is your hand position, your thumb to this fleshy part just at the base of your pinky, and then wrap your fingers around the hands. And then bring the knuckles, the first knuckles together, and the base of your hands together. So I'm making a heart. And then I'm going to just place this, just rest my elbows right at my sides, and my mudra is going to be right in front of my heart center. So I don't have to press into my chest. I'm just going to rest it just in front. It's not really touching my body right now. I'm just resting my elbows right at my sides. But it's at the level of the heart center. It's not out here. It's not up at the throat. It's not down by the navel. It's right in front of the heart center. Looking at the tip of your nose. Okay, and you should feel a little bit of pressure at the forehead, and that helps to develop your frontal lobe, which helps you with discernment. And the breath goes like this. You're going to inhale deeply through the nostrils. And then exhale through pursed lips. Exhale completely. And then inhale through the lips. And exhale through the nostrils. So I'll talk through that one more time. Inhale through the nostrils. Exhale through the pursed lips. Inhale through the lips. And exhale through the nose. And just keep going with that for a few minutes. We'll do this together for 2 minutes. Okay. Lengthening and deepening your breath. And bringing that breath down right into your solar plexus, just below the navel, the diaphragm. Expand with each inhale, lengthen with each exhale. And now inhale deeply. And stretch your arms up and reach up as high as you can. And hold at the top of your inhale. Keep stretching. Exhale. Inhale. Keep stretching. Up. Exhale. Inhale. Stretch up. And exhale. Sweep your arms out to the sides. Cone the magnetic field. And bring your arms down. And just close your eyes and just relax for a moment. Sit in a moment of stillness. And that is the caliber for constant self-authority. Satnam.